Hello and welcome back to Daily English Dialogue. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. Thanks for joining us today.
In our previous episodes, we've covered many useful topics like daily routines, hobbies, and talking about your plans.
Today we're going to focus on a very practical skill, ordering food at a restaurant in English.
Whether you're traveling, living in an English-speaking country, or just want to practice your English, knowing how to order food confidently is really important.
We'll teach you everything from greeting the waiter, reading the menu, ordering your food, to paying the bill.
As always, we'll speak slowly and clearly so beginners can follow along easily.
And we'll review all the key vocabulary and phrases at the end.
Let's get started. Tom, imagine we're going to a restaurant together. Let's practice the whole experience from start to finish.
Great idea. So we've just arrived at the restaurant. What happens first?
Usually, a host or hostess greets you at the entrance. They might say, "Good evening, do you have a reservation?"
And if you have a reservation, you'd say, "Yes, we have a reservation under the name Smith for 7 o'clock.
Perfect. And if you don't have a reservation?
You'd say, "No, we don't have a reservation. Do you have a table for 2 available?"
Exactly. Then the host might say, "Of course, right this way, please," and take you to your table.
Once you're seated, they usually say, "Your server will be with you shortly. Enjoy your meal."
Right. Then you wait a moment, and the waiter or waitress comes to your table.
Let me be the waiter. "Good evening. My name is Tom, and I'll be your server tonight. Can I start you off with something to drink?"
Yes, please. I'll have a glass of water with lemon, and could I also see the wine list?
"Of course. And for you, sir," pretending there's another person at the table.
This is good practice. Now, what if you need a few more minutes to decide?
You can say, "Could we have a few more minutes to look at the menu, please?"
And the waiter would say, "Of course. Take your time. I'll be back in a few minutes."
So now we're looking at the menu. What are the typical sections of a restaurant menu?
Most menus have appetizers or starters, which are small dishes you eat first. Then there are main courses or entrees, which are the big dishes.
Don't forget side dishes, which come with your main course, like vegetables or fries.
Right. And then there's usually a dessert section and a drinks menu.
What if you don't understand something on the menu?
You should definitely ask. You can say, "Excuse me, what is the seafood linguine?"
And the waiter might explain, "It's pasta with mixed seafood in a white wine sauce."
Or you might ask, "What do you recommend?" That's always a safe question.
The waiter could say, "Our grilled salmon is very popular," or "The chef's special today is roasted chicken with herbs."
What about asking about ingredients? That's important for people with allergies or dietary restrictions.
Absolutely. You can ask, "Does this dish contain nuts?" Or "Is this vegetarian?"
Or does this have dairy in it? Or is this gluten-free?
Good questions. And you can also say, "I'm allergic to shellfish. Which dishes would be safe for me?"
The waiter should be able to help you with that. Now, what about asking how food is prepared?
You can ask, "How is the steak cooked?" Or "Is the fish grilled or fried?"
And for steak specifically, they'll ask, "How would you like your steak cooked?"
The options are usually rare, medium, medium well, or well done.
Right? Rare means very pink inside. Well done means completely cooked through.
Okay, so the waiter comes back. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are. I'll start with the Caesar salad as an appetizer.
Excellent choice. And for your main course?
I'll have the grilled salmon with roasted vegetables, please.
How would you like the salmon cooked?
Medium, please.
Perfect. And would you like any side dishes with that?
Does it come with sides, or do I need to order them separately?
Good question. The salmon comes with roasted vegetables and your choice of rice or mashed potatoes.
I'll have the mashed potatoes, please.
Wonderful. And to drink?
I'll have a glass of the house white wine, please.
Excellent. I'll get that order in for you right away.
Now, what if you want to make special requests or modifications?
You can say things like, could I have the dressing on the side? Or can I get the burger without onions?
Or is it possible to substitute the fries for a salad?
Most restaurants are happy to accommodate reasonable requests. Just be polite and use phrases like, could I? Or would it be possible to?
What if you want to share dishes?
You can say, we'd like to share the pasta. Could we get an extra plate, please?
Perfect. Now let's talk about portion sizes. What if you're not sure how big the portions are?
Great question. You can ask, how large are the portions? Or, is this dish enough for one person or meant for sharing?
Very useful, especially if you don't want to order too much or too little food.
So your food arrives. The waiter brings it to the table and says, here's your Caesar salad and your grilled salmon. Careful, the plates are hot.
And they might ask, is there anything else I can get for you?
If everything is fine, you say, no thank you, this looks great.
But what if something is wrong with your food?
You should politely let them know, for example, excuse me, I ordered my steak medium rare, but this is well done.
Or, I'm sorry, but this soup is cold. Could you heat it up, please?
The key is to be polite. Most restaurants want to fix any problems.
What if the waiter checks on you during the meal?
They often come by and ask, how is everything? Or is everything okay with your meal?
If it's good, you say, everything is delicious, thank you. Or, it's great.
And if you need something, you can say, could I have some more water, please? Or may I have extra napkins?
What about asking for condiments?
You can say, could I have some ketchup, please? Or do you have hot sauce?
Or may I have some salt and pepper?
After you finish your main course, the waiter comes back. How was everything?
It was delicious, thank you.
Wonderful. Can I interest you in dessert? We have chocolate cake, tiramisu, and creme brulees.
That sounds tempting. Could we see the dessert menu?
Of course. I'll bring that right over.
What if you're too full for dessert?
You can say, no thank you, I'm too full, or the meal was so filling I couldn't possibly eat dessert.
But if you want it, you might say, I'll have the chocolate cake, please. And could we get 2 forks? We'll share.
Absolutely. And can I offer you coffee or tea?
Yes, I'll have a cappuccino, please.
Perfect. What if you want to take leftovers home?
You ask, could I have a box for this, please? Or can I get this to go?
In the U.S., they might call it a doggy bag, though that term is a bit old-fashioned now.
Now comes the final part. Paying the bill. How do you ask for it?
You can say, could we have the check, please? In British English, people say the bill.
Or you can make a gesture like you're writing in the air, which waiters usually understand.
The waiter brings the check and says, here's your bill, take your time, I'll be back when you're ready.
What if you want to review the bill?
You should always check it. Make sure everything you ordered is listed correctly.
What if there's a mistake?
You politely say, excuse me, I think there might be an error. We didn't order the wine bottle, just glasses.
They'll usually fix it right away. Now, what about payment methods?
You can ask, do you accept credit cards? Or, can I pay by card?
Most places do nowadays. What about tipping?
Tipping. This varies by country. In the U.S., it's customary to tip 15 to 20% of the bill.
In the UK, tipping is less expected, but 10 to 15% for good service is common.
Some countries include service charge in the bill, so check before tipping extra.
You can ask, is service included, or does this include gratuity?
If paying by card, you might leave cash for the tip, or there might be a space on the receipt to add it.
What if you want separate checks?
Before ordering, you should say, could we have separate checks, please, or we'd like to pay separately.
And if you're treating someone, you might say, I'll get this, or this one's on me.
Or if you're splitting, let's split the bill, or let's go Dutch, which means everyone pays for themselves.
After paying, what do you say?
You thank the waiter. Thank you, the meal was excellent.
And they usually say, "You're welcome, have a great evening."
As you leave, you might also thank the host. Thank you, we had a lovely time.
Such a polite ending to the meal.
Let's review the essential phrases for ordering at a restaurant.
Arriving, we have a reservation. Table for two, please. Do you have any tables available?
Reading the menu, what do you recommend? What is this dish? Does this contain? Is this vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free?
Ordering, I'll have, I'd like, could I get, can I order?
Making requests, could I have the dressing on the side? Can I substitute? Would it be possible to?
During the meal, this is delicious. Could I have more water? Excuse me, but this isn't what I ordered.
Asking for items, may I have? Could you bring? Do you have?
About the food, rare, medium, medium well, well done. For meat, grilled, fried, baked, roasted, cooking methods.
Paying, could we have the checklar bill, please? Do you accept credit cards? Is service included? We'd like to pay separately.
Menu sections, appetizers/starters, main course/entree, side dishes, desserts, beverages.
Being polite, please, thank you. Excuse me, could you? Are essential.
Now you know how to order food at a restaurant in English.
Remember, being polite and clear is more important than perfect grammar.
Waiters are used to helping people, so don't be afraid to ask questions or make requests.
Practice these phrases before you go to a restaurant and you'll feel much more confident.
You can even practice at home by role-playing with a friend or family member.
That's excellent practice. Thank you for listening to Daily English Dialogue.
Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English conversations.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food to order at restaurants?
We'd love to hear about your dining experiences.
Keep practicing every day.
Until next time, happy learning.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bon appétit!